Honorable audience, good afternoon. I am pleased to present to you today my work entitled, Development of a Collaborative Platform for Intelligent Territorial Mapping of the City of Oran. Territorial intelligence fully agrees with the principles of territorial governance and the new trajectory set by the Algerian government for local authorities. In order to create a space of partnership between all political, economic, institutional, and social actors in the perspective of a sustainable development project. Collect and process information in the environment and make it possible to diagnose, identify and, finally, develop its resources.
The use of collaborative web platforms involving several actors is a tool for the development of territorial intelligence in order to elaborate clear and reliable schemes of urban planning for a livable environment. The purpose of this work is to integrate these concepts through a digital mapping platform, for the dissemination of geospatial data on the city of Oran, the monitoring and management of the data in real time by the decision makers, regular updates shared by the citizens, the reporting of existing problems in the urban environment.
The design process began with a collection of different types of data on the urban fabric of the city of Oran. In this figure, we can see the road network datasets were obtained from OpenStreetMap, containing highway map features. Most of the information layers were produced with remote sensing methods, such as large-scale photo interpretation of satellite images. Here are two satellite images of the city of Oran from the Algerian satellite ALSAT 2B, for land use, housing types, points of interest, etc. In this figure we can see the nature of the land use.
Now, I will present briefly the designing system of platform based on client-server architecture relying on the following three main levels: the presentation tier, the visual structure and functional aspects. We used web standards libraries, open layers for the development of the cartographic interface functional options of the web map, GeoNode for the administration interface, the middle tier. For communication between clients and servers, GeoServer is used for the management and monitoring of geospatial data. We used web server Apache Tomcat and Nginx. The database tier, for the management and security of geospatial data and user accounts. We used Spatial Data Server, PostgreSQL, PostGIS, also, QGIS for the design of data layers and styles. The Wilayati web mapping platform must offer three main components. First, the web map, an interactive citizen user interface for the visualization of geospatial data, transport, housing, points of interest, public services and other information on the city of Oran, of various types of spatial data formats, GeoJSON, shapefiles, GeoTIFF. Data search and filtering module, the citizen space with a form for sharing data, a form for reporting a problem. We have also a downloading module, and the information and contact pages. The professional space, which is under development using GeoNode. It is a specific authentication and management app for decision makers who will be able to consult, verify and validate the data sent in order to proceed with the action, with authentication module, and the administration interface, data management.
In conclusion, the collaborative web mapping platform Wilayati is an interactive solution, under development, for intelligent territorial management with a collaboration between citizens and local authorities, allowing them to participate in the improvement of their environment by sharing data and reporting street and environment problems. It is a practical tool taking advantage of the concepts of collaborative information and VGI-based systems and highlighting important aspects of the city of Oran as perceived by the citizens. This project is of fundamental interest both from the point of view of territorial management for urban governance and citizen participation in the field of smart cities in Algeria.
Thank you for your attention.